Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Etika Amanah, class 19 2C and 35 with the student's number 19230587. And I'm here to tell you about what is the meaning of hardware, software, and operating system. Let's start in this presentation. What is the meaning of hardware? Hardware is a computer device that functions to carry out several processes such as input, output, and process. And this, I have characteristics of hardware. Number 1, have a secret. Number 2, main component of a computer. And number 3 is user and software communicator. But let me explain you about those characteristics of hardware. Number 1, have a secret is hardware has a shape that can be touched and felt by computer user. Number 2, main component of a computer is hardware can be set to the main computer. If there is no hardware, the computer device can display the screen and sound. And number 3 is user and software communicator. Is usable as a connecting medium between user and software. So, hardware can help your input and output process with a computer. Types and examples of hardware. Number 1, output hardware. Output hardware is a computer device that is useful for output, such as a screen and sound, for example, monitors, speakers, and printers. Number 2, input hardware. Input hardware is an input device that functions to input various types of data, such as photo, text, video, and audio into a computer. For example, keyboard, mouse, and scanner. Number 3, process hardware. Process hardware is one type of computer device that functions for processing of computer data. Process hardware is also often referred to as the computer's brain, for example, CPU and VGA. And number 4 is storage devices. Storage devices are also part of the hardware. With storage device, you can store various data on your computer. For example, hard disk and flash disk. Next, software and operating system. What is the meaning of software? Software is command on a computer are in defined programs which will provide various ways of working according to user wishes. And the operating system is a system consisting of various work components and work methods used to command and run the device rounds so that they are in accordance with what is desired. And this application of software. What is that? An application program is the type of programs that you use once the operating system has been loaded. And here I have examples of operating system. Number 1, Windows. There are Windows 98, Windows 95, Windows 2000, Windows ME, and other. Number 2, Linux. There are GNOME, Red Hat, KDE, and other. And number 3 is Mac OS. There are Mac OS Classic and Mac OS X. In this example of application, there are Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint, Playroom, presentation tools, and others. And this, I will give you example of the sentences. Number one, information worker software. There are enterprise research planning and accounting software. Number two, data management. There are contact management, spreadsheet, and personal database. And number three is document. There are document automation or assembly, word processing, desktop publishing software, and banking software. Well, that's all for my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you later and have a nice day. Bye bye.